In today's video, we're going to take a look at the circle command in Autodesk Fusion. So with the circle command, first thing we need to do to access the command is go to our sketch environment. With the sketch environment over here, to activate the circle command, I can select the create drop-down, circle, and you'll see there I've got the 5 different types of circles I want to create. Another way to start the circle command is just to press C on the keyboard and it'll activate the circle command. Now on the right hand side we've got our sketch palette. On the sketch palette you can see that I've got the 5 different types of circles that you can create. 2-point circle, 3-point circle, 3 tangent circle, center diameter circle, and 2 tangent circle. Now if you are an AutoCAD user, you'll find this is quite familiar, as these are basically the types of circles you can draw when drawing in AutoCAD. So the default is center diameter circle, so let's take a look at what that is. So I'm just going to go off here and select my center point and then drag out, and then we can either type in the size of the diameter, or I can just click and it'll place it over there. Now if I draw this again, okay, but then I type in the diameter size, you'll notice there that with this one it did not put in the dimension, but this one it does put in the dimension. Okay, so the next one we're going to try is the 2-point circle. Now to just better understand or see what the 2-point circle does, I'm going to draw a line from there to there. And with this, when I draw the 2-point circle, it basically specifies the diameter of it. So if I select that point and at that point, you'll see there that it now is the diameter of that. But what I can also do is I can still go and move this up and down, and then that 2-point in inverted commas actually is not the 2-point anymore, but it is just 2 points where the circle has to pass through when it was created. The next circle that we've got is the 3-point circle, and for this I'm just going to draw a quick triangle. So with this triangle, it doesn't have to be a triangle, it can just be 3 points, but it's just easier to see with this. So with the circle command, press C for circle. Let's go through to 3-point circle, select my first point, my second point, and my third point. And with this, once again, if I move my lines, the circle will adjust and make sure that it is running through all 3 of those points at any time. The next circle that we've got is our 3 tangent circle. So with the 3 tangent circle, I'm going to create one inside this triangle over here. So let's go to circle, 3 tangent. Now I'm going to select my first line, my second line, and my third line. And it creates a circle that is tangent to those 3 lines that the triangle represents. And the last one is the 2 tangent circle. So to take a look at how this is presented, I'm just going to go and draw 2 lines over here. I'm going to put in let's go make this 50, and let's just go ground this. Okay. So now let's take a look at the circle command. So circle, let's go 2 tangent circle, and with this, select the first one, select the second one. Then what it does, gives you a preview of the circle and actually how big the radius is going to be. Now I like this a little bit more than the 2 tangent circle in tan radius circle in AutoCAD, is that in AutoCAD it doesn't give you that preview. So you kind of, if you don't know how big the circle is going to be and you put something in, it's either going to flip it to the other side. So it would flip it to the other side over here, without you knowing it. Okay, sort of Fusion also does it because it is obeying the laws or the command that we have sort of activated. And so with this over here, it's nice to see exactly what the size is and where it's going to be positioned, because in AutoCAD, you'll select there, you'll make a really big sort of radius, and then it'll pop it on the outside over there. So this is actually one of the nicer, this is a nice sort of command that I like from Fusion. Okay, so let's go. Let's make it 10. Let's do another one. Okay, let's make this, let's make it 40. Okay, so see, I was able to then go and specify exactly what it is. And then one final one, just to maybe put one in the middle over there. And let's go make this 25. Okay, so there we go. So those are the 5 different types of circles that you have got that you can create when you are in Autodesk Fusion. Thank you very much for watching.